The 3.8-liter V6 in the 2026 Nissan Frontier Pro doesn't just deliver 310 horsepower. It outmuscles turbocharged rivals with a class-leading 7,150-pound towing capacity. While competitors chase electrification trends, Nissan perfects the midsize truck formula with rugged capability, exclusive afterburn orange paint, and technology that works where it matters most. Want to see why the competition is sweating? Stay tuned. Design and styling. At first glance, the 2026 Frontier Pro commands attention with its muscular proportions and aggressive styling. The design language remains unmistakably Nissan with the brand's signature grille and bold fender flares. But new for this model year are revised front and rear bumpers that enhance both aesthetics and approach-Dodge departure angles. The Pro-4X trim level takes this rugged appearance further with exclusive 17-inch alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, distinctive red recovery hooks, and available afterburn orange paint that ensures this truck stands out in any parking lot. What truly sets the Frontier Pro apart from competitors is its configuration flexibility. Unlike most mid-size trucks that have eliminated extended cab options, Nissan continues to offer both king cab and crew cab variants, each available with either a 5-foot or 6-foot bed. This level of choice is nearly extinct in today's market and makes the Frontier Pro uniquely adaptable to different needs, whether you're a contractor needing maximum cargo space or an outdoor enthusiast who values passenger comfort. Performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Frontier Pro continues with the proven 3.8-liter V6 engine that has become its signature. Producing 310 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque, this power plant may lack the headline-grabbing numbers of some turbocharged rivals, but it delivers power in a linear, predictable fashion that truck buyers appreciate. The engine pairs with a smooth-shifting 9-speed automatic transmission that keeps the V6 in its optimal power band whether you're merging onto the highway or crawling over rocky terrain. Rear-wheel drive comes standard across the lineup, with part-time 4-wheel drive available on higher trims. Nissan has made subtle but important refinements to the drivetrain for 2026, including revised final drive ratios that improve low-end torque delivery and reduce gear hunting during towing. The result is a truck that feels more confident under load, whether you're pulling a trailer or navigating steep inclines off-road. Where the Frontier Pro shines is in its predictable handling and stable highway manners. This is a truck that feels planted and secure even when fully loaded. The V6 engine provides adequate acceleration with 0 to 60 miles per hour, times in the mid-7-second range, though it's worth noting that fuel economy remains a weak point at an EPA estimated 16 miles per gallon city and 20 miles per gallon highway. For buyers who prioritize driving engagement over outright efficiency, the Frontier Pro's honest mechanical feel will be a selling point rather than a drawback. Towing and payload capacity. Towing and payload capacity have always been Frontier strengths, and the 2026 model pushes these capabilities further. When properly equipped, the Frontier Pro can now tow up to 7,150 pounds, a modest but meaningful increase over previous model years that keeps it competitive with class leaders like the Chevrolet Colorado and Ford Ranger. Payload capacity ranges from 1,020 to 1,620 pounds, depending on configuration, with long bed models offering the greatest utility. What's particularly impressive is that these capabilities come standard across most trim levels, unlike competitors that often require expensive option packages to achieve similar numbers. The Pro-4X trim, despite its off-road focus, maintains impressive towing credentials with a 6,640-pound capacity that surpasses many rival off-road models. Nissan has also enhanced the towing experience with standard trailer sway control and an available integrated brake controller that makes towing heavier loads more secure and confidence-inspiring. Off-road capability. Off-road capability receives special attention in the 2026 Frontier Pro, particularly in the Pro-4X trim. Building on an already capable platform, Nissan has upgraded the off-road package with revised Bilstein shock absorbers that provide better damping control over rough terrain. The electronic locking rear differential remains a key feature, providing maximum traction when you need it most, while hill descent control helps maintain a safe, controlled speed on steep declines. New for 2026 is an expanded suite of terrain modes that now include specific calibrations for deep snow and loose rock conditions. The Pro 4X also benefits from underbody skid plates that protect vital components when venturing off the beaten path. Ground clearance stands at a respectable 9.8 inches, and approach dodge departure angles of 32.6 and 24.7 degrees, respectively, mean the Frontier Pro can tackle obstacles that would stop many competitors in their tracks. While it may not have the extreme off-road credentials of a Ford Ranger Raptor, the Frontier Pro 4X offers more than enough capability for most adventure seekers while maintaining everyday drivability. Interior comfort and design. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Frontier Pro strikes a balance between work truck functionality and modern comfort. The dashboard layout is clean and intuitive, with controls positioned for easy access whether you're wearing work gloves or driving gloves. Base models feature durable cloth upholstery designed to withstand years of hard use, while higher trims offer premium options like leather-appointed seats with contrast stitching. The front seats deserve special mention. Nissan's zero-gravity seats provide exceptional support on long drives, a feature often overlooked in this segment. For 2026, Nissan has addressed one of the previous model's shortcomings by finally adding a telescoping steering wheel to all trim levels, allowing drivers to achieve a more customized driving position. The rear seats in crew cab models offer ample legroom for adults, while King cab configurations provide just enough space for occasional passengers or secure storage. Technology features. Technology has seen significant upgrades in the 2026 Frontier Pro, bringing it up to par with more expensive competitors. An 8-inch touchscreen comes standard on base models, with higher trims receiving a crisp 12.3-inch display that includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. The available Fender Premium audio system delivers surprisingly rich sound quality for a midsize truck, while wireless charging keeps devices powered without cable clutter. On the safety front, Nissan's Safety Shield 360 comes standard across the lineup, including automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and lane departure warning. The Pro 4X trim adds specific off-road tech like an enhanced around view monitor that now works at speeds up to 12 miles per hour, perfect for navigating tight trails or tricky parking situations. While the Frontier Pro may not offer the semi-autonomous driving features found in some competitors, its safety suite covers all the essentials without pushing the price into luxury territory. Trim levels and pricing. Trim levels for the 2026 Frontier Pro cater to a wide range of needs and budgets. The base S trim starts at $32,050 and includes essential features like the 8-inch touchscreen, automatic emergency braking, and a suite of USB ports. Moving up to the SV trim, $35,790, adds the larger 12.3-inch display, heated front seats, and alloy wheels. The Pro X trim, $39,200, serves as the entry point for off-road enthusiasts with its Bilstein shocks and all-terrain tires, while the Pro 4X, $42,270, includes four-wheel drive and all the serious off-road hardware. At the top of the range, the SL trim, $45,610, caters to luxury-oriented buyers with features like leather upholstery, a sunroof, and premium audio. What's commendable about the Frontier Pro lineup is that even base models come well-equipped, and there are no forced option packages that artificially inflate the price of well-equipped models. For those in the market for a mid-size truck that values substance over hype, the 2026 Nissan Frontier Pro deserves serious consideration. Its combination of robust V6 power, genuine off-road capability, and unmatched configuration options make it one of the most versatile trucks in its class. While it may not have the flashiest tech or the highest towing numbers, it delivers where it counts with honest capability and proven reliability. The subtle but meaningful upgrades for 2026 address previous shortcomings while enhancing the Frontier Pro's core strengths. For more hard-hitting truck reviews, subscribe and hit the notification bell.